You open your banking app on a Tuesday morning. Your stomach drops. Staring back at you is a massive negative balance, glowing in red, despite the fact that you earn a high salary. There is a thick irony here. You are likely watching this video on a $1,200 smartphone, bought on credit, while actively swiping away text messages from a landlord asking for rent. Financial ruin rarely arrives as a sudden, unpredictable catastrophe. Going broke is a highly efficient, predictable machine built on daily acts of active self-sabotage. The relentless outward performance of wealth is the exact mechanism driving your hidden poverty. Let's look at the first trap: lifestyle inflation. You get a promotion and secure a $20,000 raise. Before the HR email even cools, you are browsing luxury apartments and test driving a German sedan. Look at this chart. As your income metric spikes, your lifestyle expenses perfectly scale up to swallow that new money whole. Your net zero baseline remains entirely unchanged. A comma in your paycheck feels like an upgrade in IQ. You assume that because you can generate income, you automatically know how to manage it, mistaking a high salary for financial expertise. So you project success. You order $25 cocktails at downtown rooftop bars on Friday, and then quietly ration instant noodles on Tuesday because your credit cards are maxed out. If you spend every new dollar you earn to match your rising income, that six-figure salary is mathematically useless. You are guaranteeing a lifetime of living paycheck to paycheck in a slightly nicer zip code. Then comes the desperate urge to get rich quickly. You download a brokerage app, ignore the fundamentals, and throw your rent money into chaotic meme stocks and viral crypto coins. The stock market was not built for this. Back in the 1600s, the Dutch East India Company collected funds for shipping voyages. Investors bought a share for long-term profits. Modern retail investing abandoned this purpose, devolving into chaotic trend chasing and panic selling. You see a stranger on a screen turn a small stimulus check into $1 million on a joke asset. Your logic shuts down. You stop looking at the math and start looking for the next rocket ship, convinced that the laws of probability no longer apply to you. Treat the stock market like a casino, and you guarantee institutional investors will eventually extract every dime of your wealth. But maybe you don't trade stocks. Maybe your wealth is draining through 1,000 invisible cuts, daily transactions that seem too small to matter. This diagram shows the compounding math of convenience. Your central bank balance is being actively siphoned by dozens of automated microtransactions. Unused gym memberships, duplicate streaming services, and phantom app subscriptions quietly drain thousands of dollars every year. Add intense peer pressure to this equation. You drain your savings for destination weddings and split massive group dinner bills evenly, prioritizing temporary social standing over your long-term solvency. Your ego strictly refuses to say the words, "I cannot afford this." That silence is the final mechanism that bleeds a budget completely dry. Eventually, the math catches up. You aren't at a VIP table anymore. You are standing under the harsh fluorescent lights of a crowded grocery store checkout line. You swipe your card for mundane necessities: eggs, bread, toilet paper. The machine beeps. Declined. You swipe again, hands shaking as the cashier waits. Declined again. You abandon the cart, walk out to your car, and sit alone in the rain. In that quiet, devastating moment, the ego of the minimum wage millionaire shatters. The lie you've been telling yourself, that the economy is rigged or you're just unlucky, finally collapses. You are the only person who led you to this parking lot. You were so busy looking rich that you forgot to actually become rich. This is where the real work starts. You pivot to the boring, unsexy fundamentals. You track your spending. You aggressively cut the excess. You buy automated index funds and leave them alone for decades. True financial independence does not require a sudden windfall. It begins the exact second you stop caring about looking rich to your peers.